Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y300 Plus with silk style glass design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED 3D curved display, with 6.78 inches Full HD+. Punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 90.1% screen to body ratio. 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 388 ppi pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 32 megapixel centered punch hole front camera with aperture 2.45, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz. Dual-core Cryo 660 Gold plus 1.8 GHz Hexa-core Cryo 660 Silver, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G, 6nm chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB of extended RAM, and 128GB of UFS 2.2 on board storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.42 by 74.92 by 7.49, 7.57 mm, and it weighs around 183 grams, and the color options, silk black, silk green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 44-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With face unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP54. Dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y300 Plus has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 23,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y300 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.